Moodle can be good for posting information to students when the teacher is not present. I was absent for a week and was able to provide material to my students on the concept of solubility curves. So one of the first links I created for them was a how to use a solubility curve to solve problems. So you're going to see this open up, and this is a screencast that I did. Alright, this screencast is going to explain how to do problems with a solubility curve, and we'll be referencing worksheet that says Unit 1, C1, Supplement Solubility and Solubility Curves. So first thing you're going to need to know is how to read this. So they're going to watch that and go through examples, and there are different types of problems, so I tried to chunk this. So you'll see I have this first screencast, and then I have how to use a solubility curve part 2. So I actually broke it down into different types of problems. So they had some smaller practice problems, and then the level of difficulty increased, and they had a note sheet to work with that will allow them to go through that. And you'll see here I gave them a message about what worksheet they were using, and a calculator, all the things that they would need for that. So after they viewed the second one and they did some practice problems on that, the next thing I did to kind of as a learning check or kind of making them process this information is they had to do a journal. Now I use their journal as a Google Docs, so you'll see the instructions here. Copy the journal and paste it in the top of your chem journal. That is an ongoing dialogue that I have with students. So when they click on this, okay, it opens up this file, and in Google Docs they just need to go up to File and then make a copy of that if you want to put it in a normal or new document for them, and then they could put their names on it or share it however you'd like them to share it. Again, they didn't need to do that for me because they copy this, they just highlight all of this, and then they paste it into their chem journal, which I have on Google Docs with them. So they copy it, paste it, and then they answer the questions there. So it was a way for me to manage their learning when I wasn't able to be there and still move them forward. Now I also provided an answer key to this for my substitute, so once the students worked their way through that, then they could see the answer key to this question as well, but they had to answer this before they could do that. So this is a way to use Moodle to keep your students on task in your absence.